So you have a Facebook group, but you're wanting to change the name of that Facebook group and you don't know how. Well, in this video, I'm not only going to go over with you how to change the name of your Facebook group through a step-by-step guide, I'm going to go over with you some great Facebook group name ideas and a specific formula that we use when naming Facebook groups so that we can attract the right people to those Facebook groups every single day. Let's dive right in.
We all win when we all win. All win when we all win.
So the first thing we want to go over is specifically what is a Facebook group name for. And you know, some of you might think, oh, well, I'm just the name of my Facebook group. But the truth is your Facebook group name, specifically in Facebook, is searchable. That means that people can search specific keywords around that Facebook name. And then your Facebook group can then, guess what, be found in the search results on Facebook. And people who are looking for it can then go to the Facebook group and apply to be a member of that Facebook group, giving you the opportunity to, well, meet someone new, network with that person, or ultimately, possibly, maybe help that person with a problem that they might have going on with their life or with their business. So what we want to make sure that we do is that we make sure that we're using specific words, right, that people might search when naming our Facebook group. So if we're wanting our Facebook group to, say, be a group full of baseball players, there's a good chance we're going to want to use baseball or possibly baseball players inside the name of our Facebook group. But if we're then, if we're wanting to then build a group for, say, golfers and not baseball players, it would make perfect sense that the word golf or golfing or golfer would be inside the name of the Facebook group because we're looking to attract golfers and not baseball players, right? So again, Facebook groups are a place where people can congregate together who are like-minded and like a lot of the same things that the Facebook theme is about. So ultimately, when we are looking to name our group, we want to make sure that we're naming our group correctly so that the people who are looking for that group can find it. So just like we talked about in exactly what the group name is for, why would you want to change the group name? Well, it makes sense based on some of the things that I said before that you would want to change your group name because maybe your group name is not attracting the people that you want to bring to your Facebook group. So ultimately, when you're looking to change your group name, it's very, very simple, but you want to make sure that when you're changing your group name, that you're changing it and adding the specific keywords of people who are searching for specific things that you're providing inside that Facebook group, which really leads into the Facebook group name formula, which we're going to go over here in just a second. So before we go over the super Facebook group formula, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day, helping people just like you when it comes to finding their next clients online organically for free. Click the button below to subscribe. All right, so before we go into the step-by-step on exactly how to change the your Facebook group name, let's go over the super Facebook group name formula and why you should follow the super Facebook group name formula for your Facebook group and how it's going to help you start attracting more people, the people that you want to attract to your Facebook group, a lot easier and, well, every day. So let's dive right in. So first, the formula that we go over is what's classified as X for Y. And X stands for things that you are going to provide inside the Facebook group. So a Facebook group that, we have is what we classify as the freedom path, right? For Y, right? So the freedom path is specifically what we are providing inside that Facebook group. We also have had a Facebook group in the past, right? Our old Facebook group that was classified as X, which was success secrets, right? We were providing success secrets. Another example, if you're doing sales, might be sales secrets, conversion secrets, right? Or if you might be a funnel builder or someone who helps build websites, it might be landing page conversion secrets. It might be opt-in, landing page opt-in secrets. There's so many things, but what you want it to be is you want to make sure that the X stands for what it is that you are going to provide to the Y in the group. And Y is the people that you want to attract to that group. So X for Y, right? So that would be the freedom path for Y who I want to attract to the group, which we classify that as online entrepreneurs. And at the end of this video, down here in the subscription, you can join that free group called the Freedom Path for Online Entrepreneurs so that we can help you when it comes to organically attracting leads to you online for free, as well as mindset and really just building out your freedom path so you can live the life that you want to live as a purpose-driven entrepreneur every single day. So before I go through the step-by-step on exactly how you can change your Facebook group name, I want to ask you a quick question. Have you started your Facebook group yet? If you started your Facebook group, what did you name it? put your names of your Facebook groups right down here in the comments. I can't wait to see them. All right, so let's go through the step-by-step on exactly how you can make a change to the name of your Facebook group. This is super simple and should only take you a couple of seconds, really, only a couple of minutes. It really should not take you that long at all. So let's go through the step-by-step right now. So you want to go to your personal Facebook on your Facebook. Go to your personal Facebook page here. This is my personal Facebook page here. And ultimately, when you go to your personal Facebook page, up in the top right-hand corner on desktop, bottom right-hand corner on your phone, you're going to see here the menu. That's what we're looking for, the menu. When you click on the menu, you're then going to open up and you're going to then click on groups. So you can be taken over to all the groups that you are not only managing or a part of or owning, but you're going to be taken to all the groups that you are a part of or connected to on Facebook. Now, ultimately, the only group names that you're going to be able to change are going to be any groups that you are an administrator of. So if you're not an administrator of that group, you're not going to be able to make a change to the name. So if you're not an administrator of the group, let's make sure that you recognize that you're not going to be able to make a change to the name, okay? But if you are an administrator of the group, you will be able to make changes to the name of that Facebook group. So let's go down here to a new group that we just started and that we're getting ready to open here called the Freedom Path, a group for online entrepreneurs. So if you're an online entrepreneur and you're looking to join a group full of online entrepreneurs, this is a great group for you to join, and you can watch us as we build and scale this group, right, to help online entrepreneurs every single day. So make sure to join this group over at www.freedompathgroup.com, or just click on that link down there in the comments. This group will be opening in about a week or so from the filming of this video. So the good chance is this group's probably already open. Make sure to click on that link and become a member of that group right now. We cannot wait to see you inside the Facebook group. But let's go over how you would change the name. So the first thing we're going to go over here is we're going to go down here and we're going to go to settings. We're going to go to group settings. So in the group settings, what you're going to notice is that this, as an administrator, is going to give you the option here at the top to change the name and or description of the Facebook group. So as an administrator in the group settings, you see you have access to all of these things in the Facebook group. To change the name, you're simply going to click on name and description, and you're going to click on this little pen or pencil over here. That it means edit. Once you click on this, you're then going to be able to go down and you're going to be able to make edits to the Facebook group name, as well as if you want to make edits to the Facebook group description as well. But this is where you could then make changes to the Facebook group name. You would simply go in here and just make the changes that you wanted for that Facebook group name. Go down here when you are done and simply click save. So once you click save, the save then would be able to save the new changes to your Facebook group name, ultimately letting you change the Facebook group name immediately as an administrator of your Facebook group. So for more tips on exactly how you can build an awesome Facebook group and attract all the people that you could ever imagine that you're looking for to be attracted to that group, so you can help them, network with them, get to know them, or possibly even sell them your products and services so you can help them with what it is that you help people with, make sure to come and visit our Facebook group, the Freedom Path for Online Entrepreneurs on Facebook. You can go to www.freedompathgroup.com or simply click on that link in the description, and I cannot wait to see you in our Facebook group, the Freedom Path for Online Entrepreneurs. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by coming and being a member of our free Facebook community, the Freedom Path for Online Entrepreneurs. I cannot wait to see you in there. We'll see you in the next training.
Let's go. We all win when we all win.